With the arrival of the fall season, I feel like having some comfort food, but I don't have the time to be cooking a stew for a couple hours. So I'm going to go comfort food, Catalan style. What do we have? We have Botifarras. Those are the Catalan sauces. You know, if you don't find those, you can get some Italian mild sauces or your favorite sauces for that matter. We have some small artichokes, very small artichokes. We have a tomato and just a can of white beans. We are going to make a very good meal in just a very little time. First thing we are going to do, we are going to start with the artichokes. We are going to put some water to boil. And then we are going to get the artichokes and we are going to cut the end. We are going to cut it in half. And with a little knife, we are going to remove a little bit the inside, you know, these little fibers. Now that the water is boiling, we are going to put them to boil for about 10 minutes or so. The secret of this dish is the beans. This is white beans. You can use your favorite beans also. White beans, they have a little bit softer skin, so they come out better. It's a Catalan way to prepare refried beans. It's like nothing you have tasted before. They are fantastic and it's just so simple. We are just going to open the can. We are going to rinse them. And let it drain for a little time, for a couple of minutes or so. In the meantime, we are going to get a non-stick frying pan. We are going to turn it on. We are going to wait until it's hot and we are going to put like about a couple tablespoons of olive oil. You should use the best olive oil that you can find. Now that the oil is very hot, we are just going to put them there and fry them. You just want to shake the frying pan. Let's go for the tomato. The tomato is very easy. We're just going to take the part here. Then we're going to have it in half. Now that the artichokes have been boiling for 10 minutes, we are going to remove them from the water. And we are just going to let them cool off for a while. Don't forget to move those beans. The good thing about those beans when they are done is just like popcorn. They are all separate, they are not stuck together, each individual one. And nice and fried in the outside and soft inside. It's really good. Then let's talk about the Botifarras. What we're going to do is we are going to get those Botifarras and with a toothpick, we are just going to poke them so they don't break when you make them. A good friend of mine gave me a long time ago this cast iron pan, and she couldn't use it for some reason. I've been using it since. It's been 15 years or so, and I use it almost on a daily basis. Thank you, Lisa. What we're going to do, we're just going to turn it on, let it get hot, and oil it just a little tiny bit. And we are going to let it get very, very hot. If you don't have a cast iron like this, you can use a regular frying pan. Just use something that is wide and shallow, and it will work just as well. Now, this is very hot. I'm just going to put the Botifarras. I'm going to flat them up a little bit just with my fingers, you know, so they're not completely round. I'm just going to put them in the hot part. And the tomato. The tomato is really easy. Just get a little bit of olive oil. I just put just a little bit. Put it upside down. And there we go. Okay, now the beans are done. So we are just going to remove them from the fire. And we're going to put them on the oven off, just so they stay warm. We're going to take this and we're going to turn those Botifarras around. They start getting done. We are ready for the artichokes. We are going to get a cast iron pan. We're going to turn it on. I like to use cast iron pan for that. We're going to get a little bit of oil and put like maybe 4 tablespoons of olive oil. Let it get really hot. So we are going to get the artichokes. Then we're going to dip them a little bit in flour. It's time to turn around the Botifarras again. Let's see if we can hold them on the side. So they get done all the way around. This is very hot now. We are just going to take the artichokes and we are going to put it upside down. We don't want to overcook the tomatoes, so we are just going to remove them from the fire. Let's put them aside. And let's flip over again the Botifarras. Nicely done. Now that the artichokes have been cooking for about 10 minutes, we are just going to put them over. That's fantastic. Look at the color of those things. We are just going to cook them for about 3 more minutes or so. Now that the Botifarras are done, what my wife likes to do is get them, cut them in half, and just put them for just a minute upside down with the grill. At this point it's really soft. It's just the heat of the grill itself. And just cook them for nothing, just a minute or so. Now the artichokes are done, turn the fire off, and put them on a paper towel to drain. To go with the Botifarra, nothing better like an instant garlic bread, Catalan style. We just take a loaf of bread, cut a couple of slices, and we're going to toast them. So the only thing you need to do is the piece of toast, a clove of garlic, rub the garlic in a little bit. You don't even need to do it too much, it gets strong quickly. A little bit of salt, olive oil. Once again, use a good quality olive oil, makes a difference. Put it there, you have the white beans, you have the Botifarra, the artichokes, the tomato. You can get a little bit more oil if the beans are a little dry at this point. Put a little bit of raw olive oil, that makes them very, very wonderful. And a little bit of salt over. Get a little bit of Catalonian wines from el Priorat y que aprovechen.
Good dog.